Any small space, however small it can be, is a privilege these days and it shouldn't be wasted. So if you are lucky enough to have a small balcony with you, here are some tips for you to give it a makeover. So let's start. But before we start, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel for more such ideas if you haven't done so. Now let's change things up a bit and see how we can decorate the balcony as part of our living space. First of all, I have got the hanging baskets of petunias removed as it is already time to bid them goodbye for this season. Got them replaced with the conventional potted creepers like purple vine and the thyme flowers. This topiary made with the money plant is just perfect for the corner. It's placed at a low height so that we can enjoy watching these two birds amongst the greenery. I've already shared the video on making topiaries last week. I will add the link again in the description below. You can also go for something different like a bunch of potted plants in a white bird cage. You can even hang potted plants in coconut shells and paint them in bright colors. I have used this unused helmet here. Next it's turn for the light. I will use this unused hat for light cover and a string of cane for hanging it. As you can see here, our electrician has done a neat job and it's looking lovely without spending much. Outdoor spaces usually turn out better when they embrace the natural look. Hence it's best to use natural materials for furnishing and decoration as much as possible. I'll be reusing this terracotta bell chime. I will use the spray paint to revive them. On this one, I have painted the bells in blue, so covered them with the newspaper before applying golden spray paint on the rest of the bell chime. I already have the trailing jade plant at one end. Got the windowsill cleaned and arranged the small pots here with some greenery. This greenery will breathe life into the space and will also add to the beautiful view from my living room. To add some color, I will change the wall decoration here. A garden is a great way to add a personal touch to your balcony. To achieve an extra cool look in an area with limited space, hanging pots are a great option. Balcony is looking fresh after the cleaning and with the green plants all around. Just need to add the sitting arrangement and enjoy the evening. We'll start with the blank space and add something to cover the floor. A pair of folding chairs with a set of side tables and flower pots. Simple yet beautifully relaxing. To revive this old plastic pot, I have used white oil paint. After the first coat is done, need to let it dry overnight. After the second coat, it's looking almost new and just perfect for my cute ball lily. Lighting sets the mood for any occasion. We'll add a string of light in this lantern for the romantic setting. Now we have a spot where we can escape the stress of the day and get fresh air without leaving home. As you have seen, you don't have to spend a lot of money to make the most out of your small balcony space. It just requires some creative ideas and I hope you will find some here. Do share your ideas, suggestions and feedbacks with us through the comment section given below. Now let's just enjoy the beautiful evening.